What's going on, guys? I'm Will.
And I'm Alex, and we're the OK Cooks.
And on today's episode,
we're going to be turning
these
into
these.
Welcome to the 10-minute donut.
Let's get cooking! Alright, so the base of these DOUGHNUTS is going to be McGran's buttermilk, Southern home style.
Why these?
Because there's 8, they're big, and they're biscuits.
Okay.
Can you open that?
I'm not great with these. I once had a can of cinnamon buns explode on my face, which is not fun, but... Oh. Hello.
Those are good looking biscuits.
Now what?
So, one knows that a donut has a hole in it.
Does it?
Yes. We're going to need to put our own little hole in them.
Okay.
So we'll do that by finger.
Yeah.
Finger down.
Okay. Ooh.
Finger up.
Really get in there.
Finger down. So you got to make a little bit of a hole just all the way through. Twirl it around a little bit. Get it going. Look at this, Alex.
Oh, wow. Is that a big enough hole?
That is, that's definitely large enough. I love a donut. A donut might be one of my favorite desserts. You can see which ones I did and which ones Alex did.
Mine clearly look better.
Yeah, sure. Now that the donuts are ready for the hot oil,
What now?
we're gonna put them in. Ooh.
Ooh.
Did you know this would be that easy?
Nope. Pillsbury did, though.
This one looks like my belly button.
Oh, God. That is your belly button.
Oh, let me get a little bit of my belly button. The whole of that donut is, what did you do? I've got DOUGHNUTS for eyes. Question. Are you more of a Dunkin' man or a Krispy Kreme man?
Obviously Krispy Kreme.
For this glaze, I just want a regular classic donut glaze.
Okay. What are we dealing with here?
So here's it's a very simple recipe. 2 cups of powdered sugar,
Okay.
then 1/4 cup of milk. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
That is pretty easy.
That is it.
You want to give it a lick?
We need to try it. Finger in, finger out.
I'll let you do this one.
All right. Finger in, finger out. It's time to glaze it.
Let's do it.
Ooh.
I have to admit, they do look pretty good.
You know what time it is?
Time to DOUGHNUT.
Time to taste it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wow. Oh my God. Ooh, boy. I don't know if you're seeing this. You pulled these on at dinner night? Look, you guys don't make a quick dessert. This was 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Worth it.
Can I feed you some?
Sure. Worth it.
Pow pow.
Mmm.
I think we've done the 10-minute donut. This took less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'd say this is a success, for sure. Yeah, that's good. Let us know, actually. These donuts are pretty good. I would say 7 out of 10.
I'd say about 8 out of 10. Give them a go. Get creative with your glaze.
Yeah, I think we could do more with the glaze next time.
Maybe next time we'll do
Like a blueberry glaze,
strawberry glaze, caramel
Like-
glaze, peanut butter glaze, chocolate glaze, blackberry glaze.
Oh, let us know what we should try. Comment down below, subscribe, eat donuts. See you guys next time. I'm Alex.
I'm Will.
We're the OK Cooks.
Let's get cooking.